Hi guys, how are you doing another fuel car wash salon? Today we're doing a fuel truck. So let's get started. So let's choose our little fuel truck. Now we can give it a quick little rinse down to get all those muddy stains. Now for the wheels, the really cool wheels. Now for a bit of soapy soap. Soapy 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 soap. Soap, 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 soapy soapy soap. Soapy soap. Now we can do another shower. Showering. Now for a bit of polish and polish. Now to decorate. Well, tires first. Tires first. Now for some decoration, right? Kind of like that. Maybe one a bit darker. Yeah, that's lovely. Lovely jubbly. That's lovely. Now let's choose some proper decorations. Yeah, witch's hair. Witches. I might go with blue, baby. Not really, kind of orange, but I'm going for the blue with this. Everything else is kind of blue. Blue, 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 blue. Little bunny boy, little bunny boy. Anything else for my style? Yes, let's go with that. So that is the end of the video. I will see you in the next video. And bye guys.